Welcome back. We can edit an existing video with CapCut. To do that, if we go to this area and click Create New, we can then click on Blank Canvas. In order to begin working with an existing video, all we need to do is to upload that video or to grab that video from the cloud drive that we are operating in. For the sake of this video, we're going to upload a video. Once we have uploaded the video, what we can do is we can click on the video to add it to our canvas. When we click on top of the video is automatically then added to our canvas. It's a good idea that as we begin to work with the video, that we name it and that we put it inside of the folder where we want it to be. And so we are going to archive the video by moving it to the area where we want it to be. It's going to be in the space that we created. If we go down to the video on the timeline, what you'll notice is that the cursor is at the beginning of the video. If we click the play button, the cursor will move so that we can edit the video in real time. Hello and welcome. In order to get started with Audacity, you'll need to... So as you can see, as the cursor moves, the video progresses. Now, one thing that you'll notice on the timelines, we can come to the timeline and we can right-click on the timeline. Now, when we right-click on the timeline, what you'll notice is that we are not seeing a browser-based menu item. We are looking at a CapCut-based menu item. What you'll see are several elements. You'll see different elements here that we can perform in the editing process. And we will look at those processes in the next few videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.